Good day everyone, this is Marilyn Benaflor, and today I would be showing the different parts of the mini sewing machine including its function. And now, let's begin. And now let's begin with this front view size of the mini portable sewing machine. So as you can see, there are four main things that you can notice, and now let me show you what are those things. So the first part of this portable mini sewing machine is this one. So this is the upper thread bobbin. So this makes the stitches in the top of your fabric as you saw. So the second one is this, the thread tension screw, which function by passing the thread under the tension down to the sewing needles. So the third part of this portable is the purple button. So it has the power switch, the on and off, and then the second one is the speed switch. You can make it high or low. So the fourth one is the cuff slot. So on the bottom left of the sewing machine body, so you will see a slot or a notch. So this is designed to help you screw narrow tabular project, for example, just like sleeves or a bottom trousers. And now let's proceed to the right view side of the portable sewing machine. So we have here the hand wheel. So the hand wheel helps you to move the sewing machine needle up and down manually. So just like that. So this one is the foot pedal port. This is where you plug your foot pedal. So this is the foot pedal. And this one is the DC power port. So this is where you plug your main power supply cable. So this one. So for the left view side of the portable sewing machine, we have here a take-up lever. So this purple is called a purple lever left, and this one is the low silver presser foot. So from the presser foot, as the name implies, so it presses the fabric firmly down into the plate of the sewing machine. So just like that. So you can only sew when the pressure foot is in the lowered position. So this one, it is now in a lowered position. So to get the fabric out of the turn in, so you need to left the presser foot using the purple lever. So just like that. Okay, the next is the blade. It can be found inside. So this one is the threading spring. This one, and it also has a switch light, and then this one is the flap down sock, this one, and then thimble screw, this one. And this part, it is called as a bottom thread bobbin. So underneath the pressure foot is the base plate of your sewing machine. So part of this base plate is translucent, so it can be open slide. So if you will going to slide, it can be open and reveal the bottom thread bobbin. So this one is the bubble thread bobbin. This one. And for the top view size of this portable sewing machine, so you can see it has a fixed line, this one, and then this one is the needle bar. And then the last view is the bottom view. So it looks like this. So you can just open this one. So instead of using this adapter, you can also use batteries if you wish to. So just like that. And those are the parts and the functions of this portable mini sewing machine.